Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix Overwatch 2 lagging. So it is pretty simple and easy to fix. Just go to the options and copy my settings, and after that I will show you a couple of some steps that you are going to do and boost FPS. So as you can see, if I go to the options for the video, make sure you use NVIDIA Reflex Enable Plus Boost, and just pause my video to copy my settings. Right here, same, just pause the video and copy my settings, and after that minimize your game, click on Task Manager, then you will need to go to the details right here, and after that what you'll need to do is scroll down until you see Overwatch. As you can see, Overwatch, and set priority and make sure to set it high. And after that, what you'll need to do is go right here to the power option and click choose a power plan. It can take a while to load up, so be patient. And here, make sure it is on ultimate performance or on the high performance. If you're on power saver, your game will lag, and unbalanced, it probably lag a little bit less, but it still be very laggy. So make sure it is on high performance or ultimate performance. So thank you guys, and see you in the next one.